Have you ever tried sneezing with your eyes open? Turns out, it's nearly impossible. When you sneeze, your brain sends signals to many muscles, including the ones that close your eyes. It's a reflex. Some people can do it, but it's super rare and not recommended. Your body knows what it's doing, even when you sneeze.
Hi, I'm Judy. I'm 20 years old, and I created this channel to help support my journey of studying pharmacy. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to subscribe and watch till the end. Your support means a lot.